In the heart of Europe lies Austria, a landlocked yet modern and thriving country, known for its rich history, scenic beauty, and the iconic city of Vienna. Austria is often confused with Australia, but it's a unique country of its own. It borders 8 countries, including Germany, Switzerland, Italy, and the Czech Republic, making travel easy under the Schengen Agreement. Its capital, Vienna, is split by the Danube River, with the western side full of culture, history, and tourism. The city has around 2 million residents, nearly a quarter of Austria's 9 million population. Austria spans 84,000 square kilometers, much of it covered by the Alps. Cities like Salzburg and Graz complement Vienna with charm and culture. The country is also home to well-known football clubs like Rapid Vienna and Red Bull Salzburg. Vienna was named the world's most livable city in 2024 and often competes with Zurich for the top spot. Austria, one of the oldest countries in Europe, dates back to 996. It played a major role in history through the Habsburg dynasty, the Austro-Hungarian Empire, and into the modern democratic era. Today, Austria ranks among the world's wealthiest nations, with a per capita income of around $59,000. It's the birthplace of global brands like Red Bull, Swarovski, and Spar. Visitors should note that many stores close on weekends, so plan ahead. German is the official language, with Bavarian German, Slovenian, Hungarian, Turkish, and Serbian also spoken. About 82% of the population speaks German. Christianity, mostly Catholicism, is the main religion, though around 25% are non-religious. Vienna stands out for its cleanliness, orderliness, and architectural beauty. The streets are bike-friendly, with proper lanes and separate trash bins for glass, paper, and plastic. Horse-drawn carriages, or vehicles, offer nostalgic city tours and are part of Vienna's cultural charm. Historic buildings like the Austrian Parliament and Vienna City Hall reflect national pride. Despite damage from World War II, many of these buildings have been carefully restored. The Austrian flag, red, white, red, is said to be one of the world's oldest, dating back to the 12th century. City festivals, scenic streets, and peaceful daily life make Vienna a pleasure to explore. From smart public services to a strong sense of safety, Austria shows how a small nation can offer world-class living. Vienna offers free drinking water stations powered by solar energy. These provide ice-cold water that often tastes better than bottled water. Since Vienna uses the euro and is one of Europe's most expensive cities, these stations help you save money, especially on weekends when supermarkets are closed. Kiosks run by Turks and South Asians and metro stations may charge around €1.50 for a small water bottle. These water stations are also used by dog owners to hydrate and hold their pets. Like in some Arab countries, public cooling spray points are found throughout Vienna, despite its milder climate. These help people cool down during hot summer days. The transportation system in the city is efficient. From the airport, you can take the fast but costly city airport train, which takes 16 minutes and costs €15, or the cheaper but slower S7 train. Metro and train systems require tickets, but there are no turnstiles, so some people travel without paying. Trams are ideal for short trips and are available throughout the city. A single ride costs around €3, but weekly passes are more economical. Taxis are best avoided if you're from a country with a weaker currency, as short rides may cost up to €50. Vienna has about 500,000 Turks who dominate the doner kebab business. These kebab shops are popular with both locals and tourists. One major attraction is the Habsburg Palace, the former winter residence of Austria's royal family. People enjoy relaxing in its gardens, and the palace contains royal artifacts, including items linked to Queen Marie Antoinette. Vienna's streets are filled with luxury cars, mostly new models, driven by rule-abiding citizens, with average monthly salaries ranging from €4,000 to €5,000 and a high per capita income. It's common to see Toyotas, BMWs, and Mercedes-Benz vehicles. The heart of the city is Stephansplatz, where St. Stephen's Cathedral stands tall. Visitors from around the world gather here to admire and photograph the impressive architecture. Austrians are not particularly tall. Men average about 180 centimeters and women about 161 centimeters. Most people have blue or green eyes and fine facial features. Young people are cheerful and camera-friendly, while older adults tend to appear more serious. Despite the city's wealth and elegance, there's a noticeable lack of warmth compared to places like Prague. People may come across as distant or ego-driven. Tattoos and piercings are common across all social classes, and nobody cares about your body type. Even if you're overweight, you won't be judged. Cannabis products are partially legal. Beggars in Vienna often appear healthier and more well-groomed than in other countries. Some may not seem to beg out of real need, but others, like disabled individuals, clearly face hardships. Overall, homelessness is rare, and the standard of living is high. Although the city is full of people, there's not much street entertainment. You won't see performers or artists in public squares, which makes Vienna feel less lively than other European capitals. Still, the city is filled with beautiful, blue-eyed girls and stylish men, adding charm to the atmosphere. Vienna is extremely safe, with a very low crime rate. There are no stray dogs, and pet dogs wear muzzles, ensuring public safety. If you get tired of museums or shopping, the Danube River offers a peaceful escape. There are benches, boats, and ice cream stalls, perfect for families or quiet moments for those considering living in Vienna. Be aware of the high rent. A small one-bedroom apartment about 45 square meters costs around 1,500 euros per month, while a two-bedroom can exceed 2,000 euros. To live comfortably alone, you'll need a net income of about 3,000 euros per month. A family needs over 5,000 euros to maintain a decent standard of living. If you're visiting Austria for a short time, be sure to try the famous schnitzel. Some restaurants serve it with chicken, sliced lemon, and potato salad, while others use veal. Austria also has a higher legal alcohol tolerance than other European countries, allowing up to 20 grams of pure ethanol in a standard drink, twice the limit elsewhere. Austria is the birthplace of many famous figures you'll hear about: Mozart, the legendary composer, and Sigmund Freud, the father of modern psychology. Many members of the powerful Rothschild family were also Austrian citizens. That's all for now about Austria and Vienna. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Goodbye.